In a remote corner of China, an entire village floats above the ground, perched delicately on stilts to dodge the region's relentless floods. Homes and walkways hover in the air, creating a mesmerizing, gravity-defying spectacle where daily life unfolds elevated above the earth. This architectural marvel isn't just about survival, it's a harmonious dance with nature, showcasing centuries of ingenious adaptation to the challenges of an unpredictable environment. The village's design transforms potential disaster into a testament to human resilience and creativity, where every step taken is a reminder of the innovative spirit that thrives when faced with the forces of nature. As the waters rise and fall, the community stands strong, a living example of how tradition and ingenuity can craft a unique way of life amidst adversity.